To run a successful smart factory, you need the right connections. Introducing the UltimusPlus dispenser with NX capability and the 7197 PCP-DIN-NX progressive cavity pump controller, now featuring remote network connectivity via TCP/IP, giving flexibility in the control of your dispensing system. From your PLC or personal computer, control setup, change parameters, and monitor all your systems, troubleshooting issues with real-time data, allowing communication between machines and your network. Having all the right connections gives you speed, save time by updating multiple controllers remotely, convenience, controlled directly from PLC, PC, or tablet, enabling technology, smart factory ready, using Ethernet compatibility, reduced costs, improved operational efficiency. With NX, you can future-proof your advanced manufacturing capabilities when bonding components in medical devices, potting, underfilling, and coating electronic components on PCBs, applying thermal interface materials in EV battery modules, and more. Nordson EFD. Connect with NX.